My VAC Account, how to apply for VAC disability benefits. Step by step, Canada only. This video is general information only. It is not legal or medical advice. It is a practical Canada-only walkthrough to help you submit a clearer application in My VAC Account. Sources and last reviewed are in the description. Comments are off by design. First, before you log in, prepare a simple application kit. This will save you time and stress. Start with a short condition summary. In a few sentences, write what happened, when it started, and how it affects you today. Keep it plain and direct. Next, write down your key dates and places. Rough is okay. Think about postings, deployments, exercises, and when your symptoms started or got worse. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to be honest and consistent. Then, gather your key medical documents. Things like diagnosis notes, clinic letters, specialist reports, treatment history, and any notes that show how the condition affects your daily life. Create one folder on your computer for this claim. Call it something like VAC Claim, Condition, Your Name. Inside that folder, name your files in a clear way. Use date, document type, provider, and condition. For example, 2024-06-10, Clinic Note, Dr. Smith, knee. Start by putting your strongest documents first. Clear, simple naming makes the file easier to review. Now log into My VAC Account. Once you are in, look for wording like Apply, Disability, Benefits, or Submit an application. You do not need to click everything. You are looking for the path that starts a disability benefits application. Take your time and follow the prompts. When you choose the condition you are applying for, keep it simple. Usually, it is better to apply for one main condition at a time, unless VAC clearly groups them. Use plain language for the condition name. You can explain the details later in the description box. When you reach the part where you describe your condition, use a three-part structure. First, what happened in service. Explain in simple language what you experienced during service that is linked to this condition. Second, when it started and how it developed. Give a rough timeline, when you first noticed the problem and how it changed over time. Third, how it affects you today. Focus on function, how it affects your sleep, your mood, your movement, your work, or your daily activities. You do not need to write a long story. You need a clear story that matches your documents. Now, upload your supporting documents. Upload the strongest documents that show your diagnosis, your treatment history, and the impact on your daily life. You do not need to upload every piece of paper you have at once. Start with the most important ones. If VAC needs more information, they can request it, and you can add more later. Before you submit, do a simple 20-second review. Check that the condition you selected matches your description. Check that the timeline makes sense. Check that the documents you uploaded are relevant to this condition. Check that your contact information is correct. When you are satisfied, submit the application. After you submit, VAC may confirm that they received your application. They may also ask for more information or more medical evidence. That is normal. It does not automatically mean you did something wrong. It is part of the process. If you want to know the common pitfalls to avoid, watch the video on common VAC application mistakes next. It pairs with this walkthrough. If you want the bigger picture about VAC disability benefits and what they are, watch the VAC overview video and the Start Here playlist. This is the Drill Hall Canada. Practical, Canada-only transition information, organized and kept current. Sources and last reviewed are in the description. This is general information, not legal or medical advice. Crisis support in Canada. If you are in immediate danger, call 911. For immediate mental health support, you can call or text 988.